In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Australian dollar as it's realizing some upside today. After 4 consecutive days of lower price action, the Australian dollar is up today just under 1% currently, right around the 0.749 level, so just shy of the 0.75 level, as we're realizing some upside price action, even though the dollar is stronger today. When you look at it against all the other major currencies, we are seeing a few outliers today. When you look at the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar, both realizing some nice upside relative to the pairs trade with the dollar. Also, we're seeing the Australian dollar stronger really across the board against all the other major currencies as well. So some upside price action for the Australian dollar after hitting basically 3-week lows yesterday. And I think when you look at some of the driving factors today, you're looking at commodity prices bouncing back. Commodity prices had been coming off here for the last several days. And today we're seeing some upside in the metals. We're seeing some upside in the energy space. And I think that that's helping to support the Australian dollar today and realizing a little bit of upside here and recapturing some of that downward price action. Also, some of the shifting dynamics within the economic structures of various parts of the globe as well. But as we see commodities bouncing back, that appears to be the main driver as to why I think the Australian dollar is realizing some nice upside today. Looking at the general trends, we are seeing, as I mentioned, the dollar going over 100 here, so at the highest level in quite some time. And also we're seeing a weakness in the euro once again today. The British pound up slightly, Canadian dollar up slightly, and the yen flat to up slightly as well. So really pretty much across the board, pretty quiet when you look at the major FX futures markets today. But then when we look at the Australian dollar, the New Zealand dollar, both realizing some nice upside, both up just under 1% in today's price action.